Hello everybody, Brian here. We are out at beautiful Pikes Lake here in Missouri. Getting myself all rounded up. Got the kayak already. We're good to go. Gonna be hitting the water. It's a nice day, 8-mile-an-hour wind, partly cloudy. Gonna be about upper 60s. So hopefully we have a good day. It's been raining a lot. Probably won't catch a whole lot, but we'll see how it goes. You never know. Anyways, I'm going to cut this short. I'm going to just go ahead and get with the program. Oh. This is my second launch. I launched earlier and I got half of my stuff. So, anyways, almost down where y'all can see everything. Sorry about all the noise. I got my Hawkeye fish finder today. I'm going to try it out here. I tried it at Crowder. It seemed to give me a good reading on the depth and the temperature of the water. But I'm not too sure about any fishies because I didn't catch anything. Except for one. And I don't even think that thing was on at the time. I think I had it up and out of the water. So, I think I'm going to come out here past this moss bed a little bit. You can see down about 8-10 inches in the water. Get past it and then I'll drop that down. And I hope the batteries will last because I didn't bring any more batteries with it. It's a battery operated. It's got you can put a 12-volt battery hookup to it. It's got a kit you can buy for it, which I have not, because unless I know it's going to work real good, I'm not going to do it. So anyways, I also brought an anchor so that I can anchor this puppy. And I got my catfish poles on the back. I got me some worms. I'm going to try to catch me some little bluegill for some bait. Oh. Yeah. Alright, about right there, I'm gonna go ahead and drop that fish finder. All right. Go fish finder. Saying about 3 foot deep. 4 foot. It's actually deeper than that. Well, okay. Well, I'm not having much Not having much faith in this depth finder right now. I think it's weak batteries, what I think it is. Or moss underneath. Or the angle I've got it at.